Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone is doing okay. So today was a bit of a ugly day in the market, so I thought might be good to maybe just do another versus series. So I wanted to point out something interesting that I noticed for the trade for the fourth. So I was doing the usual moneyness calculation, um, and it came out to 4724.45, which is interesting because the close was 4704.81. So there's a little bit of a gap here. So I'm wondering if the simulated trade was done by like an intern or something, because the price matches about up to like around 245-ish, or maybe like the portfolio manager uh, took an early day or something like that. But it's the first time that I've noticed where the kind of like where I expected the close and the I guess like the price where they're basing off like the trade was a little bit different. So anyway, so I spy I'm assuming a mid price of 65 cents. So that would have been good for 1 basis point plus any appreciation to 47.55. So if everything had worked out well, it would have been 69 basis points. You can snicker at your own time. JEPY filled at $15.70. So that would have been good for 33 basis points. So it's pretty interesting that they seem to have like kind of like flipped where I spy is kind of like it's a slightly more risky. Um, I guess if you want to go by like the amount of premium plus like the capital appreciation. So anyway, I wanted to show you the what the after chain looked like before, and if, unfortunately, it didn't quite work out for either one again. So again, it's another womp day. But Defiance only lost 23 basis points, whereas ProShares once again they captured the cover call premium, but unfortunately the market uh, took a step back, so that's a total loss of 75 basis points. So almost like triple the loss. Again, Defiance wins just on the volume again, almost like 20 times the volume. Again, I refreshed the distributions. I didn't see anything yet, so maybe later this month. I still think it's pretty interesting to see like competition in the high yield space. Different risk return profile for different tastes, and also more importantly, the diversification and distribution dates. But again, actually, implied volatility is going up, but it's not enough to kind of give us much of an edge. It seems to me it seems like Defiance getting a slightly better cushion, and of course, like the unfortunately the stock price itself is getting cheaper. I'm trying to preserve my voice, so I might have to like as you can see, I skipped like the third, and my voice seemed like it was getting better, but it's still kind of iffy. So I want to kind of save my voice. But don't worry, like, I guess if I see something interesting, I'll bring it up like today. And of course, if you like this type of content, please consider giving this a like. And I appreciate all my new subscribers. Sometimes I feel like I'm the high yield help desk, but I think that's okay as long as people find value in this. So thank you for watching. I hope people make some money out there. I know the past week was kind of rough, but things should pick up in 2024, I think. So thank you for watching and have a great one. I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.